Hi friends, let's see how to take LCM. Ready? And we know that we always use prime factorization. Normally it takes more than 1 minute to find out LCM. Of course, first I will show you by LCM by prime factorization. After that we will use a very simple way to find out LCM, and it's very important for most of the competitive exams. We can use this method to reduce your time. Ready? Let's start the work now. First I am keeping 8 and 12. Let's see by prime factorization. Ready? That means what you will do? 8 will take, 12 will take. After that, the smallest prime number 2 will try. 2 4s are 8, 2 6 are 12. After that, again by 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Again we can try by 2, 2 1s are, and of course 3 we can't do, just bring down. Ready? After that we will try by 3. 1 is now this 1 will bring down, and of course 3 means 3 1s are 3. Now what you will do? LCM equals 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. That means your LCM is 24. This is a prime factorization to find out the LCM. Ready? Now what we are going to use? We will use another method to find out LCM. Let us see now the shortest method. See 8 and 12. The bigger number is 12. We will take 12. After that 12 ones are 12. 12 twos are 24. 12 threes are 36. 12 fours are 48. Because first we will try by 12. Can you divide it 8 with 12? Yes, but the remainder will be there. Means you can't divide it fully, isn't it? That means we won't take 12. Because if you take 12, if you divide it by 8, balance will be there. Remainder is there. 4 will get, isn't it? Because 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. So we can't do it. Now next one, 12 twos are 24. 24 will take now. 24 we will try by 8. 8 threes are 24. So you can divide 24 by 8 without remainder, isn't it? That means 24 is your LCM. So the LCM is 24. First we'll take the bigger number. After that we'll try by smallest number to divide. But when you divide here, you are getting the remainder in the first part. So we will go by the second multiple. 2 into that bigger number. And if you can't do, you have to try by the 3 into. Got it? So here 12 into 2 24. When you take 24, you can divide it by 8. 8 threes are 24. That means LCM is 24. Now we won't take prime factorization. First direct we will take the bigger number 15. See 15. When you divide it by 10, you will get balance. Remainder will get, isn't it? So we won't do by that. So now 15 into 2. What you will get? 30. We will try by this. 10 into how much you will get 30? 10 threes are 10 into 3 is 30. That means LCM of these two numbers is 30. Sometime you can't divide it. Then what you will do? 15 into 3 will try. If you can't, 15 into 4 will try. I hope you understood. Oh. Let's see the next numbers. 10, 12, 15. See which is the bigger number? 15. So we will take 15. We will see by the small number. Can you divide? Remainder will get. Balance will be there, isn't it? So we won't do by 10. Because 15 if you divide it, 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, but 15. So we can't do. So what you will do? 15 into 2. What is that? 30. Let's see now. 10. Can you divide it by 30 divided by 10? We will get 3. You can divide 30 by 10. Now let's see 12. 30 by 12. Can you divide it? You can divide, but remainder will be there. So you will not take 30 now. Now what you will do? 15 into 3. What is that? 45. But we know that 45 you can't divide by 10. Next one. 15 into 4. What is that? 60. Ready? Now we'll try. 60. Can you divide by 10? Yes. Ready? Now 60 we'll try by 12. Yes, we can do it, isn't it? Because 12 into 5, 60. That means number 60 you can divide by 10 and 12. That means your LCM is 60. Let us see the next numbers. 10, 15 and 20. The biggest number will take, that means 20 will take. 20 when you take, of course we can divide by 10. You can't divide by 15. That means what you will do? We will try by 20 into 2 means 40. 40 means by 10. Clearly we can divide. But of course 15 you can't divide, isn't it? So we'll try by 20 into 3. What is that? 60. You know that by 10 we can divide it. Now let's see 15. 15 into how much you'll get? 60. 15 fours are 60. That shows that LCM is 60. 40, 50 and 100. The bigger number is 100. But of course when you check it by 40, remainder will be there. That means you can't do by 40. You can't divide it by 40. That means what you'll do? 100 into 2, the next number, means 200. Let's see by 40 now. Yeah, 40 into 5, we will get 200. Otherwise, 200 you can divide it by 40. That means okay. Now let's see 50. 50 into how much you'll get? 200. 50 fours are 200. That means you can divide even with 50 to 200. That means yes, LCM is 200 for these three numbers. Let's see the LCM of 72, 120 and 90. We know that the biggest number is 120. So we took 120. We know that by looking itself we can understand, of course we can't divide it by 72. So what we'll do? 120 into 2. What is that? 240. Check it. 240. Can you divide it by 72? No. Remainder will get, isn't it? So let's try by 120 into 3. 360. Ready? Now let's check by 72. 72 into 5. Yes, 360. Again 90. 90 into 4 is 360. That means the LCM is, yes, LCM is 360. So to find out the LCM, what you want to do? You take the biggest number and try to take the multiples of 1, 2, 3, 4. Till which number you can divide it, the entire small numbers. You are using this method to save your time. So please make sure that you will be subscribing this channel to get the balanced videos.